This is the Sky Tour for the month of February 2021, presented by the Multimedia Learning Center at Frostburg State University. We'll start the tour facing south, where we find the bright stars Procyon, Sirius, Betelgeuse, Rigel, and Aldebaran. Betelgeuse and Aldebaran are red giant stars. Rigel is a blue giant, and Procyon and Sirius have a white hue. Sirius will appear to twinkle in shades of blue and red, more so than the other stars, because it appears closer to the horizon, where the turbulence of the atmosphere has a greater effect on refracting the light we see from this star. Procyon, Betelgeuse, and Sirius make up the Winter Triangle. The brighter strip of sky running through the Winter Triangle is the Orion Spur. The Orion Spur is a minor spiral arm between the larger Perseus and Sagittarius arms. It's about 10,000 light-years long, and our solar system is located on its inner edge. The Orion Spur is named after the constellation Orion, which appears to the west of the Orion Spur when facing south. The Orion constellation contains the Orion Nebula. It looks like a fuzzy star with the unaided eye, and you only need binoculars to make out what looks like a diffuse glowing cloud. This is a region of gas and dust that is dense enough in some parts to collapse due to the force of gravity and form stars. A long exposure camera reveals that the Orion Nebula is a part of the larger Orion Molecular Cloud Complex. To the west of Orion the Hunter is Taurus the Bull. In Taurus is the Pleiades star cluster. The blue glow of the Pleiades is easily seen with the unaided eye. The glow is from the reflection of bright blue giant stars in a surrounding dust cloud. Mars appears in Taurus for most of the month and appears closer and closer to the Pleiades as we approach March. South and east of Orion the Hunter is Canis Major, the Big Dog. Above the head of Canis Major is Thor's helmet. Its apparent brightness is much fainter than the Orion Nebula or the Pleiades star cluster. You need a telescope at least a couple of feet wide to make out Thor's helmet without a camera. Thor's helmet is an emission nebula made up of glowing ionized gas. The energy ionizing the gas comes from the central star, which is a type of star called a Wolf-Rayet star. Wolf-Rayet stars are up to 1 million times as bright as the sun and can have temperatures as high as several 100,000 degrees. Procyon is part of the other dog in the sky, Canis Minor, the little dog. Closer to home in our own solar system, the Moon appears close to Mars on the 18th. On the 24th, it buzzes the Beehive cluster, located in Cancer the Crab. Like the Pleiades, the Beehive is an open cluster of thousands of young stars. Our last stop in this month's tour is the 27th. On this evening, the full moon rises in the east as the sun sets in the west. That concludes this month's Sky Tour. This is Dr. Jason Spates, wishing everyone clear skies.